Today I want to show you how to make delicious and thin crepes. The most delicious sweet cheese filling. We turn pancakes into a vanilla creamy delicacy known as Odessa Nalistnyki. Let's get started. Step 1. Make the crepes dough. 3 eggs, sugar 3 tablespoons, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and mix. Starch 1 tablespoon, 150 grams of flour. Add 1/2 of warm milk. Mix well and add the second half of the milk. Mix and add 2 teaspoons of melted butter. Mix and leave for 15 minutes. Step 2. Make the cottage cheese filling. Cottage or ricotta cheese 400 grams, 1 egg, extract vanilla 1 teaspoon, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and mix all together. Raisins 100 grams and starch 1 tablespoon. Combine and add to the mixture. The delicious filling is ready. Step 3. Fry the crepes. Grease a frying pan with vegetable oil. Fry the crepes on both sides. Cover the finished crepes with a lid, so that the edges do not dry out. Step 4. Form the crepes Nalistnyki. Grease a baking dish with butter. We have 15 crepes. Cut each into 4 parts. Add 1 teaspoon of the filling and shape as shown. Would you agree that it's like meditation? It's a good thing to relax a little. Just try it. Then the first layer of crepes is ready. Grease with butter. Grease with butter on top too. Cover with parchment and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Hot and fragrant. vanilla creamy miniature delicacies. Perfectly sweet, this is a real taste of taste and pleasure. Bon appetit! Please like and subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you and happy culinary masterpieces!